Alright, so we've got our black paper. We're going to take a flat ruler, and I want you to line up the ruler so that the corners of the paper and the ruler go through that corner. So line that up so that you're going to draw a line from corner to corner going right through the corner of the paper. Nice and light pencil line going across there. And I'll turn it and do it on this side. That's going to give me dead center on the paper. So now, I'm going to take my compass, and we got to draw a 12-inch circle all the way around. I'm going to put the center of this right on that cross mark right there, and then a 6-inch mark on the ruler. If I look at the side with the small holes, you can see numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This hole right here, at 6, is where I'm going to draw it. So find the center, hold that here, right here in the last mark on that compass is the 6-inch mark, and then I just draw my circle all the way around. And that gives me my compositional area. Now, I've got to take the template here, and I'm going to line it up so that it's touching the edge of the circle, top and bottom. So I'm just covering the edge of the circle so I can just see the outermost edge of the circle on all 4 sides. Should leave about a 1/2 inch all the way around. Now I'm going to trace the box, and I'm not going to move it until I mark the hash marks that are already set up on the template. Alright, so that's going to give you my 2-inch grid. So right there, every one of these hash marks. Alright, now all I have to do is just carefully and lightly connect the grid lines. So a light line going there. Now I'm not going to do them outside. I'm just going to do them where they go over the circle. So I'm lining up the hash marks. I'm coming into the edge of the circle here, here, and on the other side as well. But I do need the outermost marks to line them up. That's going to give me my 2-inch by 2-inch grid. I already have my 1-inch grid set up on the transparency. So we're going to do exactly what we did before when we did the shells and draw the information inside the grid. Again, I'm only taking the pencil line to the edge of the circle. Keeping my lines light, don't press hard. So now I've got the X coming this way, so I'm going to make this my top. Take my photo, put it behind my transparency tracing. I'm going to take my grid, line it up, paper clip it down, top and bottom. And then I'm going to begin to draw the information inside my grid, inside each individual square. So, for example, one, 2, 3. First piece of information I have, 1, 2, 3, right in this box right here. I'm going to look at the edge of the hairline and the top of the ear. Remember, you're enlarging, so you got to make sure that whatever size these lines are, they're going to match the same size. So I can see here the ear comes down into this one, just below halfway, right here, and the shape of the ear comes up. And there's that outer edge with distortion. And then there's the inner edge shape. Creates a little bit of that light line right here, comes down, up and in. Here I've got that curved shape here, comes down. And I will continue to draw the remainder of the information in as I see it. So this comes up, hair comes up. Finish drawing the rest of the information inside the space to get my observational grid drawn in on this box.